welcome back to my channel. It's Neecey here, and I'm here to do another car update with some new modifications that I'm going to be doing. Today we're going to be working on the interior again, and we're going to add some new little accessories that I went to Amazon and bought. So let me go ahead and get those for you guys. So as you can see here, I got a new steering wheel cover. What else we got in here? We got the doorknobs that we're gonna add on. Have this for our push to start little button, you know. We got this for the steering wheel. Our different knobs are in here. And then have this little and that's about it that we're gonna do. So that's all that came in my Amazon package probably about a week ago. I'm about to now install that stuff into my car. I do have about 2 more things that I did order with that Amazon order that I am waiting for. They're just taking a little bit longer to come. So I guess I can update you guys when I do that as well. But I'm going to go ahead and do this little update right here. Install this stuff. And I also had someone comment about my LED lights that I have inside my car and wanted to update on it, so I'll also give you guys that update once we get inside my car. So let's go. This is what my car is looking like right now. Only thing that's still in here is I still have my LED lights here and here, and then I added this very cute steering wheel cover, but we're gonna get rid of this, even though I just kind of got it, but it doesn't go with the color scheme, so we gotta get rid of it. But let's see if I can show you guys my lights. See, you can't really see the lights, seeing that it's still daylight outside, but they still work really good. They're really cute, and I'll give you guys an update at night on these, but I like them. They're pretty dope. They still work the same as they have before. That noise is so annoying, but yeah, I'll give you guys a more in-depth update with them. They still work the same as day one. I can still change the colors. Love them. So yeah, but here's what we're starting with, and we're gonna get busy cleaning and changing some stuff out. Okay, so one thing about this steering wheel cover is that this side right here has a lot of pink, as you can see, then black, pink, and then on this side it actually has less pink and more black. So now I just gotta figure out which side I want to put it on. So. Alright, steering wheel cover is on. I did go with the side that has less pink on it just because the theme of my car is going to be pink, so there's going to be a lot of other areas to add pink to it, so I just went with this side instead. I mean, if I find out that I want more pink, I can just take it off and put it back on. It's not that big of a deal, but steering wheel cover is on. So there's little red little stickers on here, you know, just to the stickiness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these off if I can get them off. These did not come with extra stickies on them, so I'm not sure how well. Hopefully they hold up pretty well, and I guess if they've come off, I'll have to go buy some from the store. I will say this could have been a little bit longer, but it's not. Oh, it's a B. Bruh, this bee won't leave me alone. The bee is actually on the camera right now, you know. It's crazy. We have the 3 different knobs here. They look like they just pop on, so they don't have any adhesive on them or anything like that. So guess we'll see. I'll make sure everything's clean before we apply anything. Oh, y'all see all that dirt down there? Gotta clean my car out, but different task, different day. Okay. Oh, okay, like they don't pop or anything. That's it. That's pretty dope though, y'all. That is so cute. So this is what they look like on. They just pop on. It's pretty good. So this is what we got so far. Got the steering wheel complete. Actually, it's not complete because there's supposed to be a piece right here. I'm pretty sure. I'm kind of confused because I swore there was a piece that went here, but I'll have to go back and look and see what I bought because I'm convinced there was another piece. So now we have the door handles that we have to put on. Or I guess you call them handles, I don't even know. Same situation, has the red tape on it, so. So all I'm doing is holding everything on for about 10 to 15 seconds. Hopefully it sticks. I don't really know. It's so hot outside that I really just don't know how well this stuff is going to stick, but we'll see. Alright, we have our mats now. This is what they look like. That's a good fit. Good fit. This little piece. Not the best fit, but I mean, it works. I'm not 100% sure where all of these go because I'm just confused at this point. These are supposed to go on the door and they don't fit. This goes in the back seat. Where do these go? And this goes in the little thing. Where does this go? I have to figure this out. Hold on. Alright, so we got a placemat here. One goes down in there. We have some for the cup holder here. Have the cup holders here. The cup holders in the back seat. We have this here. So that's where all the little mats go. We did the knobs. We did this stuff on the steering wheel. I have to place an order for this because I didn't realize this didn't come with the set that I had, so I have to buy this. I'm waiting for these linings to come in, and there's something else I'm waiting on. I can't remember what the other thing is, but the linings that go here, I had to place my order for this, and then there's something else I'm waiting on. And then we're gonna see what else that we have to add or that we would like to add. And I still have to put this on, so I'm about to go ahead I have to put this right here on, so I'm gonna put this on and see how this looks, and then we'll be done for today. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, this right here is just gonna cover up the off and the run and stuff like that. I'm not sure if I too much like that it is covering that. I don't know. I thought it was gonna cover this part, like this ring. So I think I'm gonna actually hold off from installing this and see if I can find some other variations of this, because I'm not sure if I like that. And if I can find something else, I'll get it. If not, I'll just stick to this, but we'll see. But I am pretty much done for today, and I will check back in with y'all when I get some more of the stuff in. All right, y'all, so it is a couple weeks later, but I have finally got all the pieces that are going to go in the inside. So this is pretty much the overview of what everything looks like. We have the knobs right here. These are a little bit questionable just because I'm not sure how well it goes with them, but we're going to see. Right now we're going to keep these right here. We have the different little inserts here, cup holders. They're also on the door. We have our handle knobs, our different steering wheel trims, also the steering wheel cover. We have our trims on our vents. Have our door trim. And then trim right here. I think that really ties it in. This was one of the things I didn't think I was going to buy, but I did end up going back and buying it. At first I showed you guys a different color of this right here. The original one I put on was not the same color as everything else, so I did have to go back and repurchase this right here in the right shade of pink, and I think it ties in so well. Everything is pretty much the same shade of pink except for these, but like I said, it still kind of goes with it. If not, I'm probably going to change it to like a silver. I'm not sure yet, but we're going to stick with this for now. And then also right here on the engine, we have this right here. I did stick with it and put it there. You can kind of see like what is what, so I'm okay with it. So we're just going to keep it like that for now. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything, and I'll make sure to insert what my lights look like with it on, because right now it's still daytime, but I'll make sure to put that night clip in. But one thing that I kind of forgot to mention is I did buy this cover right here for this middle piece. Yeah, I got stuff in there, y'all, but there's also one of these little inserts like this in there, but I did buy this just because I was punching a hole in it. But I really like how this one looks. It looks really nice. It's really sleek, and it looks pretty much fitted. It looks really good, so it's a good addition. It's great. I mean, I would have loved if this was pink, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any other suggestions, I mean, hey, I'm open to them, but this is what it pretty much looks like, and I am pretty happy. I'm satisfied. Okay, it's not too much pink. It's pretty much the right amount of pink, and I absolutely love it. So yeah. All right, so here is a quick update on what my lights look like. So these are the lights that I installed over a year ago. So if you guys want to check, I do have a video of me installing these lights on my channel. At the bottom, they're kind of just hanging because I had extra lights that came out. I could put some different I guess wiring down here, or another strip like how these are inside of this tubing. I could probably put another one down there, but right now I just don't really care to do that, so these lights just hang. But I might do something with them later. As you can see right here, this is where all the power comes from, so I just have it right here into this plug. That's all I do. It's not really hidden, but it's also just not sticking out there. So this is really it. I'm going to switch really quick to my camera so I can show you guys the app that I use to change the light. So give me 1 second. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, this right here is the app that I use for my different lights. So just hit here. This is what it looks like. So you have kind of like a spectrum. Right now I just have white lights. As you can see, it's white. So say I wanted to do pink. I hit pink, or that looks a little bit more purple, so you can do those kind of lights. I'll put it right here so you can see them change. You can do green, do yellow. You can kind of just do like this and drag it till you stop and see a color you want. And then they have like little presets that are down here. So like yellow, red. Yeah, so it's really just Bluetooth. And it's all just, you know, on my phone. So whatever I want, I can just change the colors and boom, voila. So yeah, this is an update. Still love it. Still works 100% the same as it did when I installed it. So yeah, hope you guys like this. And if you do want these lights, I did buy them from Amazon. I'll try to make sure I put the link down below. So yeah.